Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back. So I'm super excited about today's video. I'm going to be introducing you to some brand new products from Paula's Choice. Now, in full disclosure, as always, I received these products as PR. If you are new here, I actually started my skincare journey with Paula's Choice in my early 30s. A friend here on YouTube at the time recommended the products to me. And I was like, I know nothing about Paula's Choice, but you say it's good, fine, I'll order some stuff. And game changer. First of all, actually using skincare consistently, that's the biggest game changer. If you are someone who purchases skincare and then you leave it sitting on your bathroom counter because it's pretty and you want to save it for a special occasion, or you're just too tired to use it, you're not gonna see any results, and it's basically just a waste of money. Like if you know that's your personality, then don't invest in an extensive skincare routine because you're not gonna use it and you're just gonna feel like you wasted a bunch of money. So consistency is key. Consistency is key. You gotta use the products. You have to be consistent. So once I got that through my personal thick skull, I was like, holy cow, look at my skin. It was a world of difference, you guys. The BHA products over time eventually completely eliminated the blackheads from my face. The BHA was also really great for any breakouts that I was dealing with. When their niacinamide came on the market, huge game changer. It took all of those enlarged pores that I had from all of those blackheads that I used to have on my face, and it improved the look of those blackheads immensely. And you guys know how I feel about the Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30. It is a staple. Right now, I actually don't have any in my little SPF container here. I'm trying to use up some of these SPFs that I have tested over the last year so that I can, I don't know, maybe not have as many open, but yeah, I like to test SPF, but I always go back to the Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense. It just works the best for my oily skin. So anyway, Paula's Choice I think is a fantastic skincare line, and I go back to them and repurchase things from them time after time. And that's why I think I was so excited when they sent me my first PR package, because my channel is obviously quite small and I don't get a ton of views on my videos, but I really love that they support my channel by sending me PR from time to time. And this new collection, it's new, but it's also a line that they've had that they improved. Now, what's really cool about this is they actually invited Renee Chow, who most of you guys probably know as Gothamista here on YouTube. She is a fellow skincare enthusiast. I have loved Renee's videos for a very long time. I don't necessarily watch every single one. Renee has a very sensitive skin, and that's not what I have rhino hide. I really don't have sensitive skin, but I do know that it is best to use products that are very gentle on your skin. And so I really think this particular line, anyone can use, whether you have sensitive skin or not, but especially if you struggle finding products that really soothe your skin. If you have rosacea, I feel like this would be a great line to test out. I just really love that they invited a YouTuber into their labs, and they literally did. Like, they invited Renee Chow into their labs, and they had her help them reformulate based on feedback that she provided to the lab people, as well as what her subscribers were telling her. So I think that's really neat. Like, YouTube is such an interesting place. Like, it can be a really great place. It can also be a terrible place sometimes. But like, there's just some amazing things that have come out of like this YouTube world, right? Anyway, so Renee, I have always appreciated her feedback on skincare, and it was really neat to see that she was able to help in the reformulation of these products. I have actually purchased the original Calm line for my mother in the past. My mom deals with rosacea, and it worked quite well for her. But I think for Christmas this year, I'm gonna surprise her with this new Calm collection. And I hope that this works even better for my mom, to be totally honest. So they sent me 4 of the products from the line. They were in here. We're gonna go ahead and run through them real quick. I will tell you, I have not used these products yet. This just arrived the other day. I haven't had time to film it quite yet, so we're doing that today. And then these products will go into my bathroom, into my routine. I will take out my current BHA from Paula's Choice in favor of this new one. The moisturizer that I'm currently using, I actually really like it, but I'm gonna test out the new moisturizer. There's also a repairing serum as well as a cleanser. So let's run through these products and let's start maybe in order of application. So we're gonna start with the Paula's Choice Calm Ultra Gentle Cleanser. This is supposed to gently cleanse the skin without disrupting the skin's barrier. So this is not a like foaming cleanser. That will be a little bit different for me. It's designed to be more of like a creamy, milky type cleanser. So this I think is gonna be perfect for me in the mornings. So very excited to try that out. By the way, Paula's Choice, I don't think they would add it to this particular line anyway. I'm sure Renee would be like, no fragrance. So these products don't smell like anything. I don't even really think they smell like ingredients, if that makes sense. Like I literally smell nothing. So that's a good thing. By the way, a lot of these products are formulated with a few key ingredients, and those are beta-glucan, which helps to really soothe the skin. Again, great for sensitive skin that is easily irritated. Hexapeptide 8, which helps to strengthen the skin's barrier. And there's also allantoin in these products, which really helps to calm and ease redness in the skin. So once again, if you are someone who deals with rosacea, allantoin is going to be a really great skincare ingredient for you. Up next, we have the repairing serum, and this has ceramides in it as well as beta-glucan. And this is supposed to visibly calm sensitive skin and improve signs of aging. Very excited to try this. I love skincare serums, and this one, by the way, the texture of it, I just think is really, really lovely. It's one of those like products that like when you first put it on, you're like, oh, is this gonna be oily? No, absolutely not. As soon as you like really rub it into your skin, it almost disappears. Like there's no film or stickiness or texture that remains on the skin. It like your skin just sucks it in and it just leaves it so soft and silky and high. I keep petting my hands because honestly my hands are in rough shape right now, you guys. It's winter. Well, it's cold. It's not winter quite yet, but it's cold. And when my hand washing game gets upped in the fall and winter because of the cold and flu season, like it really messes with my the barrier on my hands here, and I really need to get better about putting on lotion. But anyway, that's besides the point. Very excited to incorporate that into my routine. I do think that it's important to keep your skin soothed, and this particular product, I think with the addition of the ceramides and the beta-glucan, is going to just be really soothing and hydrating to the skin. And I plan on using these products all over, and they are going to have to be incorporated into the existing routine that I have. So I'll move some things around. I will subtract some things that I'm already using. For example, any other BHA that I am currently using, I will take out of the routine, and then I'm gonna try this BHA. This is only a 1% BHA. I'm used to using both the 2 and the 9% from Paula's Choice, but this is a much lower concentration, which is going to be a better fit with sensitive skin types. This has salicylic acid in it as well as allantoin, and this helps to minimize the pore size and smooth the skin. BHA is great for getting deeper into the pores. So if you deal with sebaceous filaments, if you deal with blackheads, this is the type of product that you want to use because it's really going to help to loosen that dirt, that debris, those blackheads, those sebaceous filaments, so that they can come out of the skin and you can be left with cleaner looking pores. I do think it's important to use a niacinamide product as well. If you have sensitive skin, you probably want to look for a really low concentration, like either 2 to 5% concentration for niacinamide. Paula's Choice offers a 10% and a 20%. I live for the 20%. That has reduced the look of my pores so immensely over the years. I cannot even tell you how much better my skin looks. And really, my skin is not flawless. Like I still have enlarged pores, but it just looks so much better. I just cannot tell you how bad my skin used to look. So really excited to try this. This is a soothing, lightweight gel cream texture, which I think will be fantastic, especially I don't know, as we get into these colder weather months here in the Northern Hemisphere, I think anything that you can do to be more gentle and soothing to your skin is gonna be for the better. So excited to try that. And then the last product that they sent is their Rescue and Repair Intensive Moisturizer. And I think they also have a lightweight option as well. Let me pull up the products here really quickly. There's also a toner in this line. So there is the Rescue and Repair Weightless Moisturizer, and there is the Rescue and Repair Intensive Moisturizer. I kind of wish that I had the weightless option. I feel like that might be better for my oilier skin type, but I think that the texture of this, however, might actually work quite well for me. I don't use a moisturizer per se during the day. I know that that weirds a lot of people out. I use my droplet collagen capsules. That gives me enough moisture during the day, but I will definitely use this at night. And this feels so soothing, you guys. And it makes my skin crazy soft. Like, it has taken the dryness. Like, my hands look like they were flaking. They just look really, in fact, the other day, my daughter told me, she was like, it looks like you have the hands of an 80-year-old. Gotta love the honesty of a preteen, right? But I feel like even after just applying that, like, these no longer look like 80-year-old hands. So not that I'm gonna use this as a hand cream, but I will certainly be working whatever I don't put on my face and neck onto the back of my hands at night, because that feels incredibly soothing. So this has hexapeptide 8 as well as glycogen in it. So again, very hydrating, very soothing, very moisturizing. And that's really the whole name of the game with this line, is soothing, hydrating, just making sure that you are being as gentle as possible with your skin. So I haven't started using these products, but I will be incorporating them into my routine. So in my weekly beauty chat every Friday, I will update you guys on how it's going with these products. I certainly have high hopes. I really am excited to invest in this line for my mom. I think this is what I'm gonna go ahead and grab for her for the holidays. My mom really could use some self-care right now. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this for my mom with her rosacea. I think this is gonna be a really good fit. So anyway, you guys, I will link these products where you can purchase them in the description box below this video. A huge thank you to Paula's Choice for, first off, just recognizing my channel, and then also sending me products to be able to share with you guys from time to time. It's definitely an honor for me, especially since Paula's Choice is where I started my skincare journey to begin with. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you are new, I would love it if you would take the time to subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments down below. Let me know what skin type you have and what products you typically reach for. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.